A judge ordered the Uvalde School District and Uvalde County Sheriff's Department to release withheld records related to the deadly school shooting.
Fox 4's Alex Boyer joining us now with what this could mean. Alex.
Hey guys, you know, that lawsuit was filed on behalf of the offices of Haynes Boone. It's a law office, and they filed it in reference to media coalitions after several news outlets at the time had open records requests denied repeatedly. Now, the 38th District Court of Uvalde County granted the motion for summary judgment yesterday. The ruling requires the Uvalde Consolidated Independent School District and Uvalde County Sheriff's Office to release all responsive documents within 20 days of the order, subject only to mandatory statute redactions. The records sought include police body camera footage, 911 calls, emails, text messages, and other communications related to the shooting and subsequent investigation. Now, petitioners believe that these documents could provide crucial insights into the timeline of events and decision-making processes during the school shooting that claimed the lives of 19 students and 2 teachers.
So what's going on here is we have a right in Texas to know what our government does. And we have a statute, an Open Records Act, that allows you to make a request of pretty much anybody in government and say, show me your files about. And you make a reasonably specific request, and they've got to give you those documents. There are exceptions to the general rule that you get to ask for government records. And the exceptions involve things like ongoing investigations or personal privacy issues. So the dispute in Uvalde has been people have wanted to see important records from that day, body camera footage, that sort of thing. And it's been resisted on the grounds that there's an investigation here and there's some personal private information that shouldn't be disclosed. The judge has apparently rejected those challenges and said, no, general rule applies, public gets access. That can be appealed.
So in June of 2023, a similar victory in Austin State Court required that the Texas Department of Public Safety release those pertinent records. Texas DPS is currently appealing that ruling and delaying the release of more than 2 terabytes of data related to the investigation. And I can tell you today that the Haynes Boone litigation attorney today did release a statement and said that the public deserves to really know the full details of the response to this tragic event, and added that the information here could be critical in preventing future tragedies. As you might imagine, this, of course, is something that the families of the victims in Uvalde want to see released as well. Back to you.
That all makes sense. Really does, for the victims' families especially. Alex Boyer, thanks.